Are you curious about mental health and how it's treated? You're not alone. Millions face psychological struggles, and understanding clinical psychology can help. Clinical psychology is the field dedicated to diagnosing and treating psychological disorders. It plays a vital role in mental health care, bridging the gap between research and practice. Let's dive into 4 essential steps to grasp clinical psychology better. First, we need to define psychological disorders. These are significant disturbances in thinking, emotional regulation, or behavior. They impact daily functioning and may reflect underlying issues. Examples include anxiety, depression, and schizophrenia. Next, we look at classification systems. 2 leading systems are the DSM-5 and ICD-11. The DSM is more detailed, often used in English-speaking countries, while ICD applies globally. Both help professionals communicate clearly and provide consistent diagnoses. Now, let's explore theoretical perspectives. 5 key models influence treatment: biological, psychodynamic, cognitive behavioral, humanistic, and sociocultural. Each offers different insights into the causes of mental health issues and guides how we address them. Lastly, we must discuss treatment approaches. Typically, these include psychotherapy and medication. Psychotherapy involves various methods, like CBT, which helps reframe negative thoughts. Medications, such as antidepressants, provide relief for many and work alongside therapy. To illustrate, think of someone with severe anxiety. CBT may help them identify and change negative thought patterns. Meanwhile, medication can reduce their symptoms, empowering them to engage better in therapy. In summary, clinical psychology is crucial for diagnosing and treating psychological disorders. Knowing how we classify these disorders helps us understand patient care. The various theoretical models guide our approach, and the combination of therapy and medication can lead to healthier outcomes. If you're interested in learning more about mental health, consider reading up on these topics or connecting with a professional. Together, we can break down barriers and promote mental well-being for everyone.